Airports around the country, including la-crosses, are taking some of the hardest hits in the wake of this pandemic. Leaders at the La-Crosse Regional Airport say air traffic plunged 95% during the month of April.
But the airport is slowly making a comeback. News 8 Now's Tyler Jobe has the story.
The beginning of 2020 showed promise for the La-Crosse Regional Airport.
January and February were very good months year over year. I think we had a number of our revenue streams 20% to 25% increases.
But in March and April, the pandemic sent airport revenues crashing down.
It disappeared within the first 2 to 3 weeks.
Director Ian Turner says the airport lost about 95% air traffic, as well as losing out on 375 total passengers in April.
The La Crosse Regional Airport has very closely mirrored the drop in air travel across the country. Both the airlines, American and Delta, are operating one flight a day, and then Tuesdays there are no flights.
However, air traffic is slowly trending upward.
The good news, though, is in the last 2 weeks we've seen those passenger numbers start to climb.
Turner says Monday was the airport's best day since March 12th, which was the day after the World Health Organization declared the coronavirus outbreak a pandemic.
Each of our aircraft were at least 50% full of the seats that the airlines are selling.
This comes as Delta Airlines will not allow more than 60% passengers for any of its flights through July. Turner says the airport will probably not break even for the rest of the year, but there is a silver lining.
Thankfully, we have our CARES Act funding as well as a decent fund balance of reserve money that will support us through this really bad economic time for air travel.
For now, Turner is optimistic the airport will eventually get back to where it once was. But that time frame remains uncertain.
As with everyone I'm sure you're talking to, it's a matter of when that point is.
In La-Crosse, Tyler Jobe, News 8 Now.
Turner says the airport has not had to furlough any workers, and he does expect there will be more flights next month.